Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the subject Financial Management important questions for MBA Semester 2 students of Osmania University. Now on screen you can see Unit 1 short questions. Under that, Financial Management, Objectives of Financial Management, Finance Functions, Time Value of Money, Profit Maximization, Wealth Maximization, Risk Return Trade Off, Liquidity versus Profitability, Agency Cost, Risk versus Return, Maximizing versus Satisfying. So these are the important questions, short questions from Unit 1, subject Financial Management. Now Unit 1 long questions. Under that, what is financial management? Explain its scopes, objectives, functions with the context of the changing corporate scenario. Next, discuss the major financial decisions. Explain the evolution of financial management as a separate discipline and the role of finance in contemporary scenario. Discuss the role and responsibilities of financial manager in a modern business organization. This question is very important. What is risk return trade off? How it is relevant in the financial decision making of a corporate firm. Next question, explain the concept of time value of money. Discuss about the salient features of traditional and modern approach of financial management. So students, these are the important questions from Unit 1. The first question, what is financial management? Explain its scopes, objectives, functions is very important. Now Unit 2, short questions. Under that, first is capital budgeting. Second, decision tree approach, sensitivity analysis, beta coefficient, certainty equivalent, capital rationing, business risk versus financial risk, project generation, that is project evaluation, risk adjusted discount rate. Number 10, CAPM. 11th, PBP, NPV, ARR, PI and IRR. PBP, payback period, NPV, net present value, ARR, average rate of return, PI, profitability index, IRR, internal rate of return. So these are the important questions from Unit 2. Now Unit 2 long questions. What is capital budgeting? Explain the various steps involved in capital budgeting. Second, explain the meaning of the following techniques of capital budgeting and state their merits and demerits. Under that, first is payback period, average rate of return, internal rate of return, net present value, profitability index. Now question number 3, differentiate between conventional and non-conventional cash flow patterns. Number 4, explain capital budgeting decisions under risk and uncertainty. How do you capture risk and uncertainty in capital budgeting? It's a very important question. Compare and contrast risk and adjusted discount rate method and certainty equivalent approach as effective tool in dealing with risk in financial management. This is also very important, and the first question is also very important. Students, like and share this video with all your friends so that you and your friends will be benefited from these questions, so that it will be helpful for you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. Students, this channel is an educational channel, so students, it's your turn to make this channel grow strong and succeed, and that will be possible only when you like and share the videos with all your friends. So students, start your turn, like the videos, share the videos with all your friends, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And very soon I'm going to upload other subject important questions, and in my last video I shared with you the important questions for the subject business law and ethics, and very soon I'm going to upload the other subject important questions also So inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the important questions which I am going to share with you. So students, share the video with all your friends and share the videos in your WhatsApp group also, so that it helps to all the students for the preparation of your upcoming examination. And very soon I'm going to explain you the problems of the subject financial management and operation research also. So students, inform your friends about all these, about the channel, about the videos, so it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. So unit 2, long questions. Under that, the first one, what is capital budgeting? Explain the various steps involved in capital budgeting. That is very important. Now the next unit, unit 3, short questions. First one, capital structure, very important. Long term finance and short term finance. Next, optimum capital structure, implied cost of capital, operating, financial and combined leverage, weighted average cost of capital. Unit 3, long questions. What is capital structure? Explain the factors and determinants of capital structure, very important. What is EBIT and EPS analysis? This is also very important. Explain the concept of cost of capital and how do you measure the composite cost of capital. Critically examine Modigliani-Miller theory of capital structure. This is also very important. What is leverage? Explain the types of leverages and how leverage become favorable and unfavorable. This is also very important. Discuss the net income and net operating income approach to capital structure. So this question is also very important from your examination point of view. Question number 1, question number 5, question number 4 also, and question number 6, that is very important. Now the next unit is unit 4, short questions. Under that, first is working capital, very important. Then operating cycle, that is also very important. Permanent and temporary working capital, EOQ, Walter and Jordan's dividend models, very important. ABC analysis, JIT, just in time, collection cost, plugging back of profit, also important. Lead time, this is also important. So important questions from unit 4. Now unit 4, long questions. What is working capital? Explain its needs, importance, advantages and disadvantages of excess working capital. It's very important. Describe the determinants of working capital. Next, explain the significance of Walters and Jordan models. Next question, discuss the dividend policies of Indian companies. That is also very important. Explain cash management and motive of holding cash. This is also very important. What do you understand by management of inventory? Explain its objectives and importance. This is also important. What is receivable management and how it is useful for business concern? The last question is also very important from your examination point of view. So students, like and share this video with all your friends and start preparation from these questions. Now unit 5, short questions. Corporate restructuring, very important. Corporate governance, 100% important. Needs for corporate governance, merger, vertical merger, synergy in mergers. Now unit 5, long questions. What is corporate restructuring? Explain types of corporate restructuring, very important. What do you mean by corporate governance? Explain its significance and principles of good corporate governance. 100% important. Question number 2. What is merger? Explain its motive and types of merger and also explain potential economic advantages from merger. Important question, girls. What is acquisition? Explain its types, advantages and disadvantages. Explain the corporate value based management system. This is also very important. Explain Marathon approach and McKinsey approach to corporate valuation. This is also very important. So important questions from unit 1 to unit 5 I shared with you in this video. So students, like and share this video, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. And students, very soon I'm going to upload some more videos related to your other subjects also, so stay connected with us. Thanks for watching the video.